All right, so a colleague and myself were having a conversation, and maybe you can relate to this in some way. She was really laying out the fact that in order for us to give a fuck about subtle energies, nuances, what we're going to call opening up the triunion, opening up the connection with the spirit, with your own spirit, with God, understanding the process of initiation, understanding the mechanics of what's been going on. There's a whole new world out there, okay? In order for any of that to be integrated in any way that's sustainable, in order for anyone to give a fuck about that, just like kind of Maslow's, I think that's called Maslow's hierarchy of needs, there has to be a foundation. And that foundation is mastering duality, is using duality, is using the contrast to really allow you to refine your own individuation, your own individual form. And what is a yes for you and what is a no for you? What's a fuck yes? What's a fuck no? Because it's in that process that you reconnect to your own, really to your own spirit, right? Where you even can get into the subtle energies and unlock that, right? It brings you back to yourself after maybe all of these experiences that took you away from that. So I'm going to tell you that you knew a lot all along.